Yabona ku-Twitter liyabhubha. Sanibonani, hlaziya ipolitiki ngolimi lakho. Ku-Twitter liyabhubha. Inkulumo eshisa kakhulu ikhotha isukela izolo ngesikhathi umengameli ekhuze noma-rebuke ukumrebuke kahle kahle ngoba ubemkhuza uMatamela ekhuza uJulius Malema ethi no musa ukuthi mawupolitika bese include igama likababa wami whom was a police and stuff. Uthi nami ngeke ngize ngikhulume ngogogo wakho, ngiyamazi and ngiyamrespecta wara. If you want us to have an engagement or a conversation with regards to the politics of during apartheid, we can have that engagement, just two of us. Excuse me, ukuze ngikufundise ngicathulise ngokwenzeka, this thing of you calling me a sellout and stuff, and also my dad a sellout nje hayi ngayizwa nje kahle ethi we must treat each other with respect, into esishoyo kube into ezokwakha nation and stuff. Okay, sharp. Hayi kwangathi ke bantu ke bayanga sihlangothini enhlokene ke bathi hayo Cyril Ramaphosa right ukhulume as a father and stuff. Hayi kanti abantu baku-Twitter abakhohliwe. Then they had this clip, you can look for it kwi-website yePhalamende or kwi-internet. You can just access it, ikhona, ayideletiwe, ikhona. So kule clip le uMusiwa Lekota, the leader of iqembu okuthiwa iCope, okuthiwa iCope ngoba likhona, it's just that it couldn't make it to National Assembly. Amavoti abo abakwazanga ukuthi baye National Assembly due nama-fights abo abanawo within the organization, so they were like left out. They couldn't make it. So now kule clip le ngubona isithombe salam uLekota was on a daylight in parliament reminding Cyril Ramaphosa of the event in which according to Lekota Cyril sold them out, right? Uthi ke uLekota Cyril sold us out because babe detained ndawonye, according to uMusiwa Lekota. So if they were detained together, and then you know ukuthi ubaba Cyril was a police. So uthi kuLekota ubaba Cyril made means ukuthi Cyril Ramaphosa athole a special treatment ngaphakathi. Waze uCyril waya special branch okanye kubona labo bezomthetho, wabhala incwadi wathi no, yilabantu laba bafake umqondo wobukomanisi in my head. So it was not me nje nguCyril Ramaphosa ofike nombono kimi ukuthi I wanna join yonke lento. It is them aba-influencile. So wabhala nokunye uthi uMusiwa Lekota ke, then they rewarded uCyril Ramaphosa bamusa ekhaya, right? Bamdedela, in other words. So bona Lekota and others then were sent to Robben Island to serve their time for ukuvukela umbuso at the time. And according to uMusiwa Lekota uthi kwakade bekade bene meeting with our Steve Biko and others ukuthi you must face impi head on. Ungabaleki, face the reality, deal with it, and make sure that you do not bend towards the direction in which isimo siphoqela ubhende ngakhona. You must like face it on. Kanti kuzokwenzeka the incident. So usethi kuMusolikota, now you invite me to a certain trip, or I don't akazange I mentioned what trip ayibizwa kuyona, but uyakusho ukuthi I'm not coming because you made your choice then ukuthi wena you wanna be in this side. So ku-Twitter kuya lo nkulumo leyo ukuthi why uMatamela angazange akhulume back kuMusolikota aphike and stuff, because akuveli la khona eresponda khona ngendlela aresponde ngayo ku-Julius Malema. Yes, wayesidefender kodwa ngendlela yokuthi mayidlule inkulumo, not ngendlela yokuthi angikwazi lokho mina, asikuprove let's call weaknesses awe khona ukuthi mina I sold you guys out. So maningi ama-dynamics ke akhona asaround uRamaphosa at the current moment. And then two, one thing I want to talk about today is the issue of uBheki Mtolo and Nehawu imbize ngohlanya. So I don't know ukuthi ke ama-dynamics between the ANC and its alliance partners, including Nehawu, with regards to EGNU athini, but it seems as if there's no stability within the movement, but we'll keep watching and we'll keep an eye so that sizokwazi ukuthi sibe informed. But ade ngibuka laphana ukuthi hayi internet ayikho into etrenda njengento about uBheki Mtolo Nehawu. So everyone wants to know what athini ama-developments. Kodwa Nehawu nje ithi hayi uyagula lwana ekhanda lakhe, akakwazi ukuthi azothi in public if abantu bengasizakali kuma-institutions kahulumeni is because iNehawu wara ama-members eNehawu wara. So kuningi okwenzakalayo within the ANC and its alliance partners, and today kuthanda into yokuthi umengameli weCOSATU uZongiswa, if I'm not pronouncing igama like wrong, Zoli, if I'm saying it's correct, udefende inkulumo kaHelen Zille against eka Gwede Mantashe. So kuningi nje okwenzakalayo within the politics of the ANC and the DA. So asazi ukuthi kizozala nkomone, and also this flip flop okay women Mashaba uthi ke akhishwe this guy, I think umeya wase Joburg, yeah, from Al Jama uthi akhishwe yena, then yena uzo support motion, I mean uzo support ANC kuqokwe ubuholo obusha that includes uSpeaker from his party. Then automatically it says that ANC will have mayor. So we are watching those dynamics with Joburg and also la ANC at large. And also we are watching the space NFP inenkinga laqimba lesoze lahlukana nenkinga. I don't know if likhona lizo-survive for the next 10 years. I don't see it surviving because even the current leader is not coming with a strategy of unifying the members and growing the organization. Why ngisho kanjalo? He has just threatened some prominent leaders, including the mayor or deputy mayor rather of eThekwini, the mayor of KwaNongoma, Ndaba Ndaba Nomyeni, and other